How to fix Frigidaire gallery countertop ice maker not making ice, water, filter and reset. Fix 1. Ensure the unit is powered on. You have to plug the power cord and ensure that the power switch is on. Check the ice maker have any button or light which indicates that the unit is powered on. Fix 2. Fill and check the water reservoir. Ensure the internal water reservoir is filled up to the maximum level. If it is empty, the unit will not produce ice. You have to refill it with a clean water and try again. Fix 3. Clean inner components. First of all, you have to remove the ice bin and any remaining ice. Then you have to clean the areas, ice tray, water inlet area, sensor region and mineral deposit and dirt. You can use a soft cloth or a mild vinegar mixture for cleaning. Then you have to clear any obstructs in the water inlet hole. Fix 4. Reset the ice maker. First of all, you have to turn off the ice maker using the power off button. Then you have to wait 10 to 30 seconds to clear. Then you have to look in a front control panel or inside the unit of the ice maker for any small reset button. If there is, you just have to press and hold it about 3 to 10 seconds until the light flashes or you can hear a beep sound. If the button is reset, use a small paper clip or a small tool to press it. After, you have to release the reset button and you have to turn the ice maker back on. Fix 5. Inspect for blockage or connect. Inspect the water inlet tube for visible twists or pinches. Ensure the water flow to avoid obstruction. Check for any blockage that can prevent the tray from filling with the water before freezing. This will help you to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.